Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. So dear student, yes, in yesterday's class we started a new bridge course grammar topic, that is syllables, and in that we learn rules for syllabication. And first we have seen in that how to count the syllables. Yes, there were how many rules? Yes, we have seen. Yes, 5 rules we have seen with example how to count the syllables. Yes or no? Yes. So in today's class we are going to learn now how to break word into syllables. Okay, this is very important. Again there are 6 to 7 rules how to break the words into syllables. Let's see. So here, see here how to break words into syllable. So we can say that syllable division also. So there is a first rule, divide or break two middle consonants. So what we have to do, if two consonants are there in between the vowels, then break two consonant. Yes, yes, if two consonants are there in between the vowels, then break two consonant. Here few example they given. So one by one we are going to solve here. So first word is sudden. Let's see. First word is sudden. So I will show you here. S-U-D-D-E-N. Sudden. In that word, just find out where is vowel sound words. Let's see. See here, U and E. This is a vowel and this is vowel. There are two vowels in that. Yes or no? So what is our rule? We have to break two middle consonants. So in between these two vowel, what is this D and D? Yes, this is consonants. Yes or no? So we have to divide in between them. So we are dividing from here. So what is the pronunciation? Sudden. Okay? Sudden. Got it? So here you can say that there are two syllables. Got it? How to divide? Yes. One more example, that is happen. I will write here. Yes. H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen. Yes. So here word is there, happen. So how to divide? First we have to, yes, count. Where is the vowel sound? Yes, or vowel word. See here. Here A and here E. Yes, we got now vowel. Here A and E. Now check it in between that. There is consonant or no? Yes. So this P and P consonant here. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to break it in between. Got it? So happen. Now it became happen. Next word is yellow. So I'll write here happen. Okay, next word we are going to see yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. So first we have to find out vowels. Yes, E and O. So this E is vowel and this O is also vowel. So in between that you have to check whether these are consonant or no. Yes. So this L and L consonants are there. So we have to break in between them. Yellow. Next word, that is matter. M-A-T-T-E-R. So first we have to find out vowel A, E. So this is vowel, this is another vowel. In between that, this T and T, what it is? Consonant. So we have to break it middle. Got it? Next word is gasket. I'll write here. Gasket. Find out the vowel A and E. Got it? Now this is vowel, this is vowel, and in between that S and K, what it is? Consonants. So we have to divide in middle. So like Potter and computer, you have to divide. Okay, practice it. So like that. So there, what is the first rule? How to break it? Yes, first we have to divide or break two middle consonant. Yes, if here consonant sound are there in between two vowels, then we have to break two consonant. Got it? You are clear about this rule? Yes. just move to the second rule. So what is our second rule? Yes, remember consonant expectations. What we can do? Second rule, remember consonant expectation. So cannot divide these consonants which CH, PH, okay, here CH, PH, TH, SH and WH. You can't divide it, okay. So break before CH, PH, TH, SH and WH. So before that we have to divide it, okay. We can't break this. So we have to keep as it is. So that is our second rule. So see here, first word is there, purchase. So I will explain you, I will show you how to divide it. So I will write here word, see here, Purchase, purchase. First, what is the rule? We have to find out the vowel. Where is the vowel? Find out. Yes, U and A and E. So just remember yesterday's rule, whether they are both vowels are together. No, they are separate. Then one more rule, last there is ending with E. Yes, ending with E. So we can't consider this E. So what is our here? See, remember the consonant expectation. So we can't divide CH here. CH is there or no? Yes. So we can't divide this. So before the CH we have to see here, before CH, PH, TH, SH and WH we have to divide. So before CH we are dividing here. Purchase. Got it? So how many consonants here? How many now syllables are there? You can find out, na? Yes. So here this is 1. We can't consider this. This is 1. So there are 2 syllables. Got it? Yes. Now the second word, that is elephant. I'll write here ELEPHANT. Now first rule, what is first rule? Just find out the vowels. See here, E, E and A. Got it? Now, yes, we got the vowels. This 1, 2 and 3. Got it? Now what is the rule? We can't separate P and H. So before the PH, we have to divide it. But see here, LE is there also. We can't, see again one rule we have seen, LE. So we can't separate LE also. So we have to divide E, then LE, before that PH and C. Elephant. So you can say that there are 3 syllables. Got it? Yes. Next word is mother. So I'll write here. Yes, MOTHER. Mother. Now, first what we have to do? First what we have to find out the vowels. Yes. O, E. Now we got 2 vowels. Yes. 2 syllable we can consider. Now find out. See whether here TH is there. Yes or no? So we can't divide it. Before that we have to divide. MOTHER. Like father. Here only I will divide. FATHER. See here? Yes. Here I will divide. See here. Feather. So here TH is there or no? So before that we are dividing. Here SH. So cashew. Yes. Got it? So here 2 syllables are there because A and E. 2 syllables. Here also E and here also E. Here also 2 syllables. Got it? So what is our second rule? What it say? Yes, remember the consonant expectations, which are CH, PH, TH, SH and WH. So we can't separate them. So before these words we have to break. Got it? So like that we can divide. Next, move to the third rule. What is our third rule? Yes, one more here example. Yes, so here third rule says divide before one middle consonant. Divide before one middle consonant. So if there is only one consonant in the middle, then break before the consonant. If in this word, if there is only one consonant, what we have to do, if it is in middle, so we have to break it before the consonant. Let's see one example. Yes, I will write here today. Yes, today. First, what is the rule? We have to find out the vowel here. Yes, so O vowel here, A vowel here. We got these two vowels. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is our rule? If, see here, middle, see, two vowels are there and middle consonant is there, we have to break before the consonant. So, we have to break it before D. So, today. Yes, you got, there are two syllables, this one and this one. Two syllables are there. So, you have to divide like that. Today. Now, tonight. T-O-N-I-G-S-T. Tonight. Just do it. Yes. O. We have to find out the vowel. Very good. I. Yes, got it. Now, just check it. Middle there is consonant. Yes. In this between middle N is consonant. So, we have to divide before the N. Tonight. Like that. They will. They will we have to see. Yes. They will. Then return. Same. Just see. R-E-T-U-R-N. Return. Got it? Like that we have to divide it. So there is third rule. Divide before one middle consonant. Yes. Now move to the fourth rule. What is our fourth rule? Yes. So our fourth rule says, see, L-E holds the alphabet placed before L-E. L-E holds the alphabet placed before L-E. So what we have to do? Alphabet and L-E forms one syllable. So divide or break before the alphabet when L-E is there in a word. We have to do. See here, you can't separate this. See, I will explain you here. So if L-E is there and it is holded B. Yes, so B-L-E you can't separate. Next, suppose L-E is there in the last and if A is there, so you can't separate. Yes, so you have to separate before that. So let's see example. By using this example, we can understand. So here, first word is humble. I can write here. Humble. Now, just check it. It is holded L-E. Yes, already holded. And what it holded? B also. So, B-L-E. So, we can't separate them. Yes. So, what we have to do? Before that, you have to find first what is the rule. We have to find out the vowels. U and E here. These three got one. Yes. So, here is one syllable. Here is one syllable. Total two syllables are there. But how to divide? You have to divide before the BLE. So, humble. Now, another one example. Trouble. T-R-O-U-B-L-E. So, L-E is there. It is holded B. So, you can't separate it. So, where is the vowel? O and U. This L-E, B-L-E, only one we can say that. But what is here? See, this one and this one. Why? Because these two are together. So, we can consider only one. So, there are two syllables. Now, you are clear about syllable. Now, how to divide? So, we have to divide before the BLE. From here, we have to divide. Got it? Yes. One more example. Here, one word is there. Yes. Little word I will explain you. L-I-T-T-L-E. So, last L-E is there. It is holded T. Yes. And find out the vowel. See here. Yes, I. So, we have to separate here. Got it? Yes. So, little. Next, here, from here, B-R-I-T. Yes, B-R-I-T. Here. Here TLE is there. So before that we have to divide it, break it. So like that you have to solve. So therefore what is the fourth rule? If LE is there in the word, okay, so it is holding one more word. Yes, it is holding one alphabet, and then we have to divide it. See, before this holded alphabet. Yes, if BL is there, DL is there, we have to hold it. Got it? Now move to the fifth rule. So now we are to move for the fifth rule. So what is our fifth rule? That is separate two small meaningful words. We have to separate two small meaningful words which has vowel sound in a word. Yes, so here keyword, keyboard, snowman, moonlight, milkman. These are examples. So I will solve here 2-3 examples and I will show you. So here I'll write here keyword, key and word. So just check it. There are two small meaningful words. Yes, key, EY, key and word. These are two meaningful words. So what we have to do? We have to just separate it from middle. Got it? Meaningful words are there. So now keyboard, keyboard. See here, two meaningful words are there. Yes, so we have to separate here. Now like snowman, moonlight, milkman. Got it? Like that we have to separate it. So fifth rule, separate two small meaningful words. If there are meaningful words, we have to separate it. Here you can find out easily where is the vowel. E, here see, O. Here also E and C, O and A. So you can consider here only one because they are together. Like that. So separate the two meaningful word. Next, there is the sixth rule. Let's see. So prefix and suffix are separate syllable. So prefix, we already learned prefix like UN, PRE and RE. These are the prefix. Yes, when we are adding to the beginning of the word, there should be a new word. Yes. So unaware, unknown, unwell, unseen. This prepared, prepare, premature, redial, rewrite, rewind and recycle. These are the examples. How to separate it? Yes, we have to separate like that. I will show you one example. Yes, one word I will take here, unaware. Yes, now where is the prefix? UN, un. Yes, so we have to separate it like that. So like that here, unknown, unknown, unwell, unseen, prepared, prepared, prepare, premature, redial, rewrite, rewind and recycle. Like that you have to separate. Got it? Next, the seventh and last one rule. Now we learn about prefix. Now suffix. We have to separate the suffix. See here downside I given some examples or few examples. Hopeless, shameless, aimless, countless, useless. Here senseless. So less, when there is less, full or er at the end means as a suffix in the word, what you have to do? You have to separate it. So hopeless. Here I will write one example here. M less. So LESS less is there. Suffix we have to divide like that. Aimless, shameless, countless, useless, senseless. Careful. See FUL. Careful, shameful, helpful, doubtful, watchful, harmful. Next ER. Farmer, chopper, dreamer, cleaner, teacher and owner. Like that you have to separate it. So dear students, what we learn in today's class, how to separate these words, how to break down the word into syllables. Yes, so by following 7 rules we learned how to break it. Hope you all understood. So write down these all examples and try to solve it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.